Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your speaker Anker Soundcore free to the application. So you have to start by open settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Now, if you have Android, also click on pair new device and then click power button. It should enter to pairing mode automatically after it turn on, but if it doesn't, press one time on the Bluetooth button. Then click to your device. After that, hide the settings and go to the Soundcore application. Now click Add Device, choose Speaker, then click on Soundcore Free. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!